Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2010 Volkswagen Golf, stock number 6385. This ran from the 10th 2008 to the 1st 2016. It has a CAVD 1.4 litre turbo petrol engine backed by 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a CAVD 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door, one slight fold and dent, left front door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door 4 dents, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,